Hello guys, today I am going to discuss chi-square test using an example. So we use a simple formula to calculate our chi-square value. So this is summation of O minus E whole square divided by E, where O is observed frequency and E is expected frequency. Here this is noted that E here this E and this E will be same. So it represents that expected frequencies. So this example I have taken. So here a die is thrown 132 times and the following result is observed. Okay, so number turned up, that is in a bias there are 6 categories, that 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 are there, and this is the frequencies that number of times 1 is coming is 16 and number of times 2 is coming is 22, and accordingly. So question is simple, saying that is the die is biased, unbiased. So for this we have to use our chi-square test, and we have to examine this, that is this unbiased die or this is a biased die. Okay, so for this we have simply taken up our hypothesis that the die is unbiased. Okay, if this is so, the probability of obtaining any one of the 6 number is 1 by 6. Obviously probability will be same for all the occurrence of 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and as such expected frequency of any one number coming upward is 132 into 1 upon 6. So here the number of times we have thrown dice divided by probability of occurring of one event, so it is giving 22. So expected frequency for our experiment is fixed, and now we are going to simulate, we are going to examine that this example is follow our chi-square hypothesis or not. So for this this table I have taken. So number of terms, number of times 1 2 3 4 5 6 is coming, so this is the observed frequency as given in the question. So 1 is coming 16 times, 2 is coming 22 times, and 3 is coming 25 times according to the question. So expected frequency, as I discussed, so it will be same for all the events, 22 22 22 and 22. So this is a simple calculation of observe minus E. So it will give 22, so 16 minus 22, it will give minus 6. Okay, accordingly we can calculate these values. So in next step we have to square these values. So square of minus 6 will be 36. Accordingly we can calculate these values, and now for the final values, so we have to divide these values by E. So here the 36 will be divided by 22, so E value is 22, or accordingly 4 will be divided by 22, and 9 will be divided by 22, and 64 will be divided by 22. So this value we can get here. And now in next step, when we do the summation of our so this is our required result. Okay, so we have to do the summation of these values, and if we do the summation of these values, we simply get that the summation of these values will be equal to 9. So hence the calculated value of chi-square is 9. So here we also have to calculate the degree of the freedom of the given problem. So for degree of freedom, the simple thing is that we have to calculate the degree of freedom is equal to total number of variable minus the unknown parameter. So here is only one unknown parameter, so n minus 1, 6 minus 1 give us 5. Now we have also to check that the table value. So here we use a predefined table, so where the degree of freedom for the value 5 and 5% level of significance is 11.071. so this is given in the question, and our calculated chi-square value is 9. So as the calculated value is less than the table value, so our hypothesis is accepted, and the dice is unbiased. So accordingly we can solve other such questions based on chi-square test. So this is the simple example I have taken. So by using these approach, we can solve simple chi-square hypothesis, and we can check that our example is following hypothesis or not. So in other videos, I will discuss that Poisson distribution in chi-square test, exponential distribution in chi-square test, and accordingly other distributions follow chi-square test or not by using an example. So thank you very much.